Hello, are we on? Hi. So I'm building a platform to fix how creatives collaborate, and I'm documenting everything. So this is episode one. There's already tools out there for creatives to network, collaborate. A lot of the time, I think the creative industry is a bit fragmented. There's equipment, there's networking, there's idea generation, there's like creating a storyboard. You hop onto one platform, you go onto the next platform with so and so to reach out to talents or models or actors. Have another platform. So the whole idea is basically create one stop platform for everybody to network and generate ideas as well as rent out equipment and post show reels, so and so. So that's why I came up with the idea of preset. So I decided, why not create something that I personally would use myself? It's designed to allow the creatives or the creators to be able to generate ideas, mood boards, storyboards, present them as gigs, and get talents to apply and network together, create. It's all in-house, built on preset. We're somewhere in between MVP and MMP, and what I mean with that is I have the landing page created, pre-launch page where the real fun starts now. So I'm going to be trying to market this to the public and documenting everything, the successes, the failures. I have no background in marketing, but with a little bit of help, grace of God, we will see how far we can go. Let's just dive in. I will switch the camera now, and we're going to show you guys a little bit of what preset is all about. Okay, so here we are. This is the pre-launch landing page. Nice little tagline here, connecting creatives alike. Simple. Okay, so we are back. I made a few changes. You can see now. Connecting creatives alike, brainstorm, generate concepts and ideas, and turn them into reality using Presetie. Get ready, Presetie. So I came up with this little slogan: Get ready, Presetie, because now preset was the domain I wanted to use, preset.ie. But as you can see, it was already taken. I contacted Let's Host, and they said, yeah, somebody took it. I did own this domain a few years ago, but this was way before I came out with this idea. So yeah, look, you snooze, you lose. Now, what else? So this is the early access page. Simple. We have the images on the left here. You scroll down, you are greeted by our links. We have obviously our social links like TikTok, LinkedIn, subscribe on YouTube, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, X, and Instagram. So the whole purpose of this is to get people to join on a user waitlist. Now, as you scroll down, you are greeted with the connect with. So if you are an influencer, an agency, an actor, musician, if you're a studio cinematographer, so we will click, for example, a videographer. So you click videographer, it brings you up, fills in your category, and I am a contributor or a talent. I am a talent. Let's just say I I am a model. You give them a name. I'll show you, we'll do that later. So an Instagram account, you just put your URL. You can even put my personal one here. And 5 by 2 is 10. And now obviously you can't join because you haven't filled in your email. But again, very simple. If you are a cinematographer, click cinematographer. And since it's already, it will map to the closest relevant field. If you're a photographer, videographer, model, aspiring model, if you're an agency, if you're a brand, if you are, I'm just reading off the list of roles I have here. So one content creator and one videographer has signed up so far. Both of them are just my emails. And yeah, I'm going to use this to gauge interest and build on it. So this is the landing page, very simple. Now, in terms of, we also have a light dark mode as well. So where did I get the inspiration from? So an exact kind of copy, Swipecast. This is a similar concept platform. I've done some competitor research, and this platform is kind of one of the closest that matches what I'm trying to achieve here. Now, why would you go for this? Why would you go for Presetie over something like Swipecast? Well, basically, Swipecast is more tailored for like big companies like Vogue and, as you can see, Chanel. My target audience, or Preset's target audience, is basically up and coming artists or creatives alike. well, it's not limited to up and coming. I hopefully want this platform to encompass everything. Yeah, so that's kind of Swipecast. As you can see, I pretty much ripped the design or the foundation for my design off this website with the carousel image on the left, the heading and the text, and then a CTA button here. Yeah, so you have a heading, some text, and a CTA at the bottom. What else? And then StarNow. So everybody probably knows about StarNow. Just accept this. You have it's basically a casting call website where I don't know if you're a videographer or if you're creating a short or a series or anything like that. You can post a casting call and get people to apply for like voiceovers. But I think there was a gap in the market, and that's why I came up with Presetie. Preset, I'll just start calling it Presetie actually. So why Presetie? Just a quick thing. I originally wanted to use the domain preset.ie for Ireland, but now I did own this domain a few years ago, but I forgot to renew it. And in hindsight, this worked out well because if you search preset, which eventually brand name, you want it to be a household name, you search preset, a lot of stuff comes up, So, but if you search Presetie, guess what? We are number one. So as long as we market the name well, get the name out there. So Presetie, nice SEO optimized landing page. Also the text here. I will work on this and get it to look a lot neater and be very good. I could definitely improve this a bit more, get some more pages to show up here. What else? So another tab, right? As I said, like I said, this is day one. Just gauging the general feedback and everything. So give you an idea now. I will fill this out as myself. I already have, but just to give you an idea of how it works, I'll put this aside. Now, personally, I am a videographer, so you can also so you can also search. So I'll just say Cage. That's my Instagram. Joining waitlist. Nice little notification when you've successfully registered. So yeah, I've gone through the landing page. This is again very simple, and as you can see, we have updated the 3 creatives waiting. So content creator, video editor, and videographer. As I promote this more and more, we will see how many people sign up. So if you are a creative, if you're a videographer, anyographer, model, actor, anything, check it out. Sign up and yeah. But again, this was just quickly summed up and put out there. Now the actual website. So I do have a little sneak preview I can show you guys. It's currently in development, so we are going onto our local host. Hopefully this works. Let's just refresh the page. Anyway, so when you sign in, you are greeted with like the dark mode more. Greeted with a nicer. So the text here, this is going to change. I do have some attributes here. Now I need to fix this. Again, similar concept, the image, the heading and text, and then you have 2 CTAs, browse gigs, go to dashboard. How it works, you also have for contributors, for talents, find gigs, create gigs, and more on that later. Connect with, and again, this slide in categories. Creative roles, as you can see here, we have different like models, and cool thing is when you refresh the page, new categories show up, so it's meant to be dynamic. And yeah, now you have talent for hire section, where you will have your talent profiles just show up here. So these would be verified or subscribed users, will come up on the home page, like your name, creative professional. This needs to change to like if you're an actor or whatever you are. So contributors, so we have well, Michael O'Brien, this is me myself here, and Emma Thompson. So these are 3 profiles I've created. This is the featured work section, so you will be able to basically generate stuff, add it onto the home page, and it goes through slide and carousel. So yeah, this is a quick preview of the home page. I have a lot more pages created, but again, those are for different videos. Oh, one nice little feature I have here. So someone use your preset. A hint at some of the features I want to add onto the platform. So you can create presets, and as the name suggests, presets. So create presets to generate stuff, and you can yeah, share the presets on the platform. Okay, so that was an introduction into preset. Like I said, if you are in the creative industry, if you're a photographer, anything creative, check it out, sign up, follow our socials for updates. And yeah, it was nice to speak with you guys, and join me in this journey, and let's see how far we can take this. Peace.